Hi, welcome guys. Today I'm going to show you how to press the shirt perfectly. It's different from the other iron. This is we are using only iron. How to press the shirts perfectly. Okay, just introduce this one and hope you will subscribe my YouTube channel and share and more advantages you will see next time. Thank you very much. Okay, then first collar. We should place the collar nicely. Then cuffs. There is two cuffs. Straight. Two pressing straight. Then that's straight back and shoulder. If there is line, you can press the line straight normally. Other hand pressing nicely, like straightly. Here we go. It's pressing with the front line, also back line, pushing slowly. I just want to show you thumb will go away from the shirt and become perfect quality. Looks like the final round way pressing the button and straightly buttons you need to press it carefully. Actually it's perfectly done within 2 minutes. uh, how to press the shirt perfectly like professional looks. There is no any lines, perfect look. Okay guys, if you enjoy this video or good, please subscribe and share. Thank you very much for all. Thank you very much.